In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can create a card template in Trello. So you can create a template with pre-populated data to make creating your cards a lot simpler. So at the bottom of any of the lists, you're going to select create from template icon. Then here you can select create a template. Let's call this demo template. Then select add. Here you can put your description. Let's say demo. Let's add like a sample checklist. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? That should be sufficient for testing. Then just select create card from template. So for this card name, I'm going to say test and then select create card. So you can see that I now have a card with the template information. So it has a demo description and it has the checklist that I created. So if I select close here and scroll down, you should see the test card that I created and you'll also see the template one. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.